Okay guys, we're over here at Franklin Mountain State Park. Now the rumor has it that there's a man with a donkey that can be seen on the side of the road, and it causes a lot of accidents, which leads to deaths out here. Now there's been a lot of deaths over years in Trans Mountain. Trans Mountain is known as one of the most dangerous roads out here in El Paso. So we're gonna take a look and see what we find up next. Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and start recording. Now we can't spend too much time over here. In case you're wondering, we turn this off. There's the city of El Paso right there. Pretty nice. You can see how far away we are. Now, this is what they call the Smuggler's Pass. They find ways to get alcohol through here back in Prohibition days, and basically this trail goes all the way up the sides of these mountains right here. I know you can't really see it. Like I said before, we're not going to go too much in there, but guys, if you hear or see anything, make sure you leave it in the comments. I know you guys can see too much besides my light that's in front of me. This thing is pretty light. It's pretty bright though. Sorry guys, lost that cut. Get back in here. What the hell's going on? There you go. That's better. Got a nice bright moon out tonight. Ooh, watch your step. Everybody good back there? We can't go too far because this thing goes straight up. There's a lot of rocks everywhere, so just trying to keep your footing a little difficult. Now they've been said that you can actually, they used to find a whole bunch of stuff up here. And by the way, this is El Paso. It doesn't always get very cold, but right now it is pretty freaking cold, especially going up this mountain. Uh oh, I see something. You see that reflecting out there? Something reflecting way over there. Way over there? Okay, is it, I think it's probably just a sign. My camera keeps getting blurry. Why? Yeah, no. What the hell?
It gets blurry because
What's that? There you go. Sorry, the camera keeps getting blurry, guys. I'm trying to figure out what's going on. Now, there has been said that this place does have some residual hauntings, and it just got really cold right here. Holy crap. Hey, dog poopy. Watch your step. There's dog crap right there. Okay. Watch your step, guys. You see? It was really cold down there for a second. I started seeing my breath and everything. Hold on. I just heard something. And if I really want to do a video here, the next video that we're going to be doing is in Las Cruces, Oregon mountains. That's what we saw as a reflector. Just trying to make sure it wasn't a pair of eyes. Yeah. Like a mountain lion or something. So quiet right now. We're gonna go up a little more. I've been up this path in the daytime, but at nighttime it does give it a little bit eerie feeling because as you see there's nothing but tall grass and my field of vision's not much. Let me give you a look what I'm looking at right here. That's all the light I got. Put this on, I can see a lot better. There you go, getting blurry again. Alrighty. Through here, you can probably make some noises. Might echo. Yeah. You saw that? Was it green again?
No. As soon as you whistled, it
That was weird.
flashed.
I was told as soon as I whistled, there was a shooting star right above me. Ah, that's cool.
It's like a
I have a magical power. Try it again. See what happens when we turn off the light. Now, guess beginner's luck. Alright, we're gonna head back actually. We're gonna go to the other side of the mountain. Actually over that ridge, down the other side, there's another park area. And that's actually said to have some pretty interesting stuff from like native tribes back in the day. Now, anybody that knows, native grounds can be quite dangerous, so we have to tread lightly. So for now, I'm just gonna put this camera away so I don't fall and bust my ass and break it. Just found out that now this door is actually unlocked. I just went to grab it. It just opens right on up. This place was built in 1904 to 1905. The Center for International Railroad Traffic, so from here to Mexico. This building is old. It's on auto. There's some noises coming from upstairs actually right now. I'm not entirely sure if this place has security cameras. I'm pretty sure it does. But this door was wide open. You just hear the acoustics in here. I didn't whistle. You guys take a look, just look how interesting this place is. See, like they do have bolt locks. There's actually a TV in there. You have vending machines. They definitely kept the integrity of the building. You have some other ones out here too. This big old 2 doors right here. Let's check this out. See if it's locked. Yeah, it's locked. I'm not hearing the noise from upstairs. I heard earlier we had the noise from upstairs. See, these doors are locked, but that main door was completely left open. Look how high that is. Isn't that like just so cool? Built in the 1900s, and look, you still have this little setup right here. Now, one of these radiators is making a lot of noise. Are those doors unlocked? Damn. Look at that courtyard. Man, I wish one of these doors would be unsecured. No, no. That one's making a noise right there, but there's upstairs, and I'm not sure if the radiators go up there. See, right now this just seems like they kind of just keep it unlocked, just in case someone needs to get out of the cold for a little bit. Ooh. There's something upstairs. Elevator is key card activated only. Damn. Let's take a look in here, see if you guys see anything. It's about to be 3 o'clock, so we're probably gonna do our, look at that. It's a quiet room. There's a weird feeling in that one. That is insane. Anyway, it's about to be 3 a.m., so our 3 a.m. challenge is coming up. Now this is a great opportunity to do one here in this location. I think that we could possibly get away with that and it'd work out pretty good. Now my curiosity is, why was that door open? Everything else seems to be pretty well secured in here. I mean, look, none of these doors even budge. But that one door was open. I just heard humming coming from upstairs, like a Okay. Somebody's in the bathroom. See, everything else is pretty closed off, so it makes sense why these doors are open. But for the sake of our first 3 a.m. challenge, we're gonna do one right here, right today. And I'm gonna use my phone recording stuff as an EVP. So, we're gonna have a quick EVP 3 a.m. session right here. Let's see if we catch anything interesting. Now remember, if you guys see or hear anything, make sure you tell me. Did you guys hear humming earlier? You guys see the time right now is 2:41. Since we're already here, the only other place I think we could do a 3 a.m. challenge is at one of the locations across the street. I think that we should probably just do one here and experiment with our first time. Plus, you know, the cops are kicking people out of the clubs over there. If we're over there, they're going to be kind of wondering what we're doing. So, It's interesting. I do hear noises that are coming from stairs, but the one that's over here, I pointed out earlier, that is that furnace right there. There's my brother behind the chairs. Oh, there he is. Hey. This place is really, really crazy. I'm gonna do an EV. Not us. It's so far away from where we're standing. Let's see. Guess you have to be out here. Take a fucking picture. It's on face tracking. It's like split right down the middle. How are we trespassing when we're not even on the... My baby, watch me walking. That's just wrong. I have night vision. What? Look. Look. You saw that? Dude, like it's a face sensor. They fucking... Another face. Speak up. A lot of orbs here.